Hello, Fly Babies. It's Sunday, and so in FlyLady Land, that's Renew Your Spirit Day. Now listen, I understand that you may be of a different faith, and maybe Saturday is your holy day, your Sabbath. And so if that's the case, then do these things on that day. So let's talk about it. Today is the day we renew our spirit. Our husband renews his spirit. Our children get their little spirits renewed. So what do we do first? Well, we get up before the family and we do our morning routine. We don't fiddle-faddle around, we get it done, but we don't hurry so much that we make a mess, right? So we're focused, we're enjoying the beauty of the movements, but in 30 minutes you can get it done. Once you're done, then go into your children's room, wake them up, and put them through their routines. Now remember, yesterday at dinner we had a conversation with our family about the fact that we're going to worship today. We're going to church, or we're going to synagogue, or whatever it is on whatever day you do that. So we've had a chance for everybody's minds to get right. They know that's what we're going to do. The clothes are laid out. We've got a plan. So in the morning, everyone's better with a plan, right? So you put your children in the clothes that you laid out. Make sure that they've got their teeth brushed, their face brushed, they've wiped out their toothpaste in the sink, right? Their beds are made, your bed is made. In the kitchen, everybody's going to sit down and enjoy breakfast together, and then the dishes go in the empty dishwasher because you emptied it when you did your morning routine, or your empty dish rack. If wash them real quick, put them in the dish rack. Then when you go into church or to worship or wherever you're going, synagogue, and you get in your car, you're going to be peaceful because no one's missing their socks. Or if you're walking, doesn't matter. When you're going, you're going to know no one's missing their socks, no one's forgotten their prayer book, no one's forgotten their Bible, no one's forgotten their tithe money, no one's forgotten something. Everybody's dressed and ready to go. So when you get there, you can enjoy it because you're not unprepared. You can come with a peaceful center, a peaceful spirit coming to worship so that you can fully appreciate the blessing of that worship. And then when you come home, it's family dinner for you guys. The only routines we have on Sunday are the morning routine, the after dinner routine, and the before bed routine. That's it. The rest of the day is a peaceful, calm day for you, okay? All right, so tonight, it's very critical. This is the night we take our little planner and we plan out what we're going to do for the week. So look and see what you've got in your calendar for the month and what you need to transfer over, and anywhere else you might have it, your Google Planner, your Google Calendar on your phone, whatever it is, what you put, where you've put your doctor's appointments and things like that, write them in. Your child's baseball games. My grandson is starting baseball again already. So it all goes in there. And then you can plan your days, but Sunday night's a good night to put it all in there, get a good look at it. So tonight, when you get ready to go to bed, you're going to look at that and say, what are we doing on Monday? You know, it's your weekly home blessing hour, but what else is happening that day? And make sure you have the right clothes laid out for everyone, and that your children's projects that are due tomorrow are by the front door with their backpacks and their shoes, right? This is the time. Do that so that, again, you're all prepared. And so when you leave your home, it's never that awful feeling that something's missing. All right, that's it for today. Have a lovely day, and always remember that you are beautiful.